Welcome to Financial Funnies Daily. Serious markets, silly jokes, saving you time you haven't got. Grab your coffee, hold all your bag and let's roll. First up, Trump nukes the Fed. President Trump just fired Fed Governor Lisa Cook, citing alleged mortgage fraud, and Wall Street instantly lost its cool. The dollar slumped, Treasury yield sank, and gold sprinted like it just hit a sugar rush. Traders are now betting that a September rate cut is basically guaranteed. Powell's still hanging on, but the Fed's independence looks shakier than a Jenga tower at a kid's birthday. The markets, they don't like surprise cast changes in the world's most boring reality show, the Federal Reserve. Moving on, XRP flips BlackRock. Ripple XRP briefly hit a $180 billion market cap, edging out BlackRock's $177 billion. That's like a meme army of crypto frogs marching into Wall Street and yelling, "Move over, Larry Fink." It's bullish proof that XRP isn't dead, but the real question is whether it stays above giants like BlackRock or this was just another crypto sugar high. For now, the XRP army is celebrating like they won the Super Bowl. Flying to India, banks open doors. India's government loosens its rules to let foreign banks buy bigger slices of local lenders. Sumitomo Mitsui, a Japanese giant, was cleared to buy nearly 25% of Yes Bank, bustling the old 15% cap. That's a big crack in the wall that keeps India's banking sector mostly domestic. It's a clear signal India wants outside money flowing in to boost lending and fintech. Expect more foreign logos in Indian finance soon, and maybe fewer China-denied loan applications. Next up, Stargate DAO, the project that lets assets move across blockchains, voted 95% yes to sell itself back to its parent company Laser Zero for $125 million. In practice, it means one company now runs most of the blockchain bridges that move money between networks. Great for efficiency, but centralization risks are real. It's like if one company owned every highway toll booth, smoother travel but one traffic jam or price hike and everyone's crying. Flying to France, Pavel Durov's versus stickers. Telegram founder Pavel Durov is still under French investigation, but after a year, prosecutors have basically nothing to show. He called the case bogus and going nowhere. Unless they start charging him for too many emojis, this case looks dead. Telegram's reputation takes a boost while France looks like it's chasing ghosts. Next stop, Japan, SBI and Chainlink. SBI Group just linked a strategic partnership with Chainlink to tokenize real-world assets like funds and stablecoins. Translation: Tokyo bankers are putting mortgages and investments onto the blockchain. Huge credibility win for Chainlink, which already powers most blockchain oracles. If Link keeps stacking institutional deals, expect it to move from crypto nerd circles into everyday financial plumbing. Moving on, Metaplanet stacks sats. Metaplanet, often dubbed the micro-strategy of Tokyo, added another 103 Bitcoin, bringing its total stash to nearly 19,000 BTC, worth $2 billion. They're officially Asia's biggest corporate hodler. Michael Saylor might send them a Christmas card or a challenge to BTC accumulation duel. Next up, Arthur Hayes goes full astrologer. Arthur Hayes, co-founder of BitMEX, says the hype token will rise 126 times in 3 years. That's not TA, that's astrology with better fonts. If he's right, Hype buyers are buying yachts. If he's wrong, expect clown memes of Hayes juggling rug pulls. Either way, crypto Twitter wins. Moving on, Solana's $1 billion war chest, Galaxy, Jump and Multicoin are raising a $1 billion fund to buy Solana. That's not pocket change, that's conviction. If Solana keeps outperforming, this is a Rocky Balboa comeback. If it collapses again mid-transaction, it's Rocky 5, choose your fighter. Flying to Germany, pensions wobble. Germany's pensions are under strain, workforce shrinking 9% in a decade, payout ballooning. Chancellor Merz wants citizens to invest in ETFs instead, even giving kids a €10 monthly allowance. Critics say that's pocket money, not a retirement plan. Germany risks asking people to save for old age with loose change while the system crumbles. Next up, Ørsted wind project blown away. Ørsted stock tanked 16% after the US cancelled its $1.5 billion offshore wind farm over national security concerns. If renewable energy can't even clear national security hurdles, expect investors to get cold feet on the green bets. Wind power got, well, winded. Moving on, Canary Capital filed for its patriotic ETF that only holds US-born crypto projects like XRP, Solana and ADA. Imagine Uncle Sam in a hoodie yelling, "Buy the dip." If it gets approved, the 4th of July might come with staking rewards. Next up, Dr. Pepper buys coffee. Dr. Pepper snapped up coffee giant JDE Peet's in a $18 billion deal. Yes, soda and cappuccinos are now cousins. Expect branding everywhere. If your latte art starts spelling Dr. P, don't be surprised. Next up, Gemini's XRP card. Gemini launched a new XRP credit card that pays up to 4% back in XRP. Finally, a credit card reward that isn't just forgotten points. Now you can pay for your gas and earn a tiny piece of Ripple's revolution. And remember, MasterCard was yesterday. We're on a roll. Flying to the UAE, state whale spotted. The UAE now holds 6,300 BTC, which is $740 million, making it the fourth largest state Bitcoin whale. Dubai's already famous for gold markets. Now it's locking in as a digital gold hub too. Next up, Pantera's Solana pivot. Pantera Capital wants $125 billion to transform a public company into a Solana investment. That's either 4D chess or YOLO with too many zeros. Place your bets. Moving on, InvestFest 2025. Atlanta's InvestFest this week was all about financial literacy, equity access and teaching long-term investing. A refreshing reminder that not everyone is YOLOing into dog coins. Some folks are actually planning for the future. Weird, right? Last and not least, SEC and Kraken talk. The SEC sat down with Kraken to discuss tokenized trading systems and the rules to govern them. Trad fee is creeping on chain, slowly, reluctantly, but inevitably. The old suits can't resist forever. And that's it for Financial Funnies Daily. Trump rattled the Fed, XRP flexed, Germany's piggy bank cracked. Drop your roast requests in the comments and Patreon serving the extended buffet. Catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.